Hi, welcome to my channel, Living My Best Life with Lisa Marie. Welcome if you're new here, and if you're one of my subscribers, you are literally the best. Let's get crafting. For this DIY, I'm going to take this really cute tray that I got at the thrift store, and I've had it for a long time, and I actually liked the pattern when I bought it, but now I want to do something different with it. First thing I'm doing is cleaning it with some alcohol, and I keep my alcohol in that little container that you just saw a moment ago. Very easy to use, and I got it, I think, at Dollar Tree. And now I'm using the color ink from Waverly Chalk Paint to go ahead and paint the entire thing, and that's just going to be the first layer of paint that I use. The next layer is going to be the wax in white from Waverly, and I like it because you can still kind of see the dark color sort of peeking through, and it gives it a little bit of, you know, a distressed type look, almost a whitewash, and I really like the effect. Plus, you know, because it's a wax, it's a little bit more slippery, and it just goes on with a little bit of a shine, and I really like the way it looks, and you can even see the brush strokes, which is something else that I really like about it. I want to put something in the center of it that's decorative, and I got this home sign from the Dollar Tree. Oh, actually, I think it was Target Dollar Spot. Sorry about that. And I have this burlap kind of ribbon I got from Walmart, and I thought, you know what, I love texture, and I want to kind of mix the elements with the metal and the burlap and then the wood. So I'm just going to put this diagonally across, cut off kind of those little edges, and hot glue it inside. And then I'm going to hot glue the word home right across that. And I just think that makes it so cute, but it's simple, and I can put things in the tray and style it that way. I really love how this one turned out. It's simple, but yet it's really homey, and it's interesting to me with all the different textures, and I'd love to know what you think. Would you have added the burlap, or would you have just put the word home right on the tray? Let me know. Today's video is a collaboration with Lianep at DIY Beauty on Purpose. Lianep is so incredibly talented. You have got to go check out her channel. She does some of the most gorgeous farmhouse type of decor and flips, and she builds things. I mean, this woman is talented and couldn't be sweeter. I really want you to go check her out. Her video for this collab, the link will be down in the description box, as well as her channel link, and you will not regret it. Be sure to tell her that Lisa Marie said hi and that I sent you over. I'd love for you to join me on my channel by hitting that subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you'll always know when I have a new video. I do all kinds of DIYs, gardening in the summer. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. That helps my channel so much, and I do appreciate it. For my next DIY, I found these really cool looking sconces, and they are bright gold, which is not what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and use my little alcohol thing and clean them off because they've been sitting around for a long time. I got them at a Goodwill. I don't even know how long ago it was now, but I'm finally going to do something with them. Now, I don't know if I'm going to put them up like sconces or let them sit down. I saw the Latina next door do that, and I'll link the video where she did that down below, but it is so cool. So I'm going to go ahead and go in that direction, at least for now. So they'll end up sitting just the way you see them right now once they're done. I am using this Kiehl's all-purpose primer in white, and it's really good if you're going to want to do like any kind of an antiquing technique because it covers, but you can put it on lighter. So as you notice, I'm not like going for full saturation here. I'm just going ahead and painting it and letting the strokes show, and even kind of sloppy, but trying to get it in all the little nooks and crannies and make sure that I did cover all of it, including the bottom, which I almost forgot to do. You'll see here in a minute. Now I'm going to take my Antique Wax by Waverly and I'm going to dry brush it all around the entire sconce. That means I'm putting a little bit on my brush, dabbing some off, and then going on lightly. And what I'm trying to do is create this very antiqued kind of a look. There's going to be one more layer after this, but this is the middle layer. So first was the primer, and now is this Antique Wax, and then next you'll see I'm going to add a different wax on top. I'm loving how this is turning out, and I'm just kind of dabbing it all around and getting in all the little deeper parts, especially where it looks like there's an edge or a little point, you know, where it would collect more of the dirt or whatever. That's what I'm trying to do. And now for the last layer, I'm going to use the white Waverly Wax, and I'm just going to lighten it up and give it a kind of that blonde distressed wood look, and I just love it. It just turned out so good. I have never done this particular technique before, and I'm just really happy with how it turned out. You'll definitely have to let me know what you think. And right about here is when I realized I had not painted the bottom yet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I am so happy with how this turned out. I love it. I hope you guys love it too.
I just wanted to let everyone know that I am on social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Same name, Living My Best Life with Lisa Marie, and I hope to see you over there.
I found this little basket at the Goodwill. It's actually in my Goodwill haul video, which I will put up in the cards and link below. I do not like the color of that kind of like wood/basket stuff on the side there. So I am using my plaster color paint by Waverly, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the outside of that. Now I don't really want to go in and paint the inside because I think that's going to be a big mess. So I've come up with another solution to deal with that. I'm using my burlap wide ribbon that I got at Walmart, and I want to just cover kind of the center of the outside, and I'm going to do some folds in order to create that. So first I've cut the right size that would go all the way around, and now I'm going to fold one end in and hot glue it, and then the other end in and hot glue it, and again creating some texture and interest. And so right now I'm just gluing those pieces over each other. Now that I've got the burlap the way I want it, I'm going to wrap it around the middle of this basket and then hot glue it to the basket itself. I I decided to use some white coffee filters, just kind of hot gluing them around the top edge of the inside of the basket to hide that other color of the back side of the basket. And it just kind of lightens the whole thing up, and it was super inexpensive to do this, and it's an easy solution, and I can pull it out anytime if I want to change my mind. I took a little pick of lavender and I cut some pieces. I'm going to hot glue them together after I trim the edges, and I'm just going to create a little floral kind of bouquet. I'm going to wrap some nautical rope around the bottom and attach it right where that seam is of the burlap, so that will hide it, and it'll also give it a little bit of extra decor. And I just love lavender, it's my favorite. I'm so excited how this one turned out. I really like it. It's just so simple, and I can add other florals inside if I want to. And here's one last look at all of them. I am so happy with how they turned out. I love doing thrift flips. It's so much fun, and you can find just the coolest things. I can't wait to do more. Don't forget to go visit Lianep's channel, DIY Beauty on Purpose. All the links will be available in my description. You will be so happy that you did. She's amazing. And if you're here from Lianep's channel, welcome, and I hope you'll join me by subscribing. I'm so happy that you're here.
Thank you so much for watching and being here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and definitely give this video a like, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Until then, you are a blessing.